Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix CSGO takes a long time to load in Windows 11. So firstly click on start, search here ms config. So open system configuration. Now here click on this services tab, hide all Microsoft services. Then disable all. Then here click on apply, then click on OK and restart your system. So this is the first method. Second one, click on start, search here %, temp %, press enter. So open this temp folder. Now select all these files and delete. Some file will be not able to delete, so skip them. Now open Steam. So now here click on Steam, then settings. And guys, still you are facing problems, so click on start. And guys, if you are so guys, still you are facing problems, so click on Steam, settings. Now here click on downloads, then click on clear download cache. Click on OK. Then restart your system. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.